Hey, this is Dave and Rich again at housebearings.com. Today we're going to show you how to make a real simple connection of PEX pipe. We have PEX B in this house, and we're going to show you the advantages of using PEX over copper. Copper takes a little bit more effort to do the same kind of work than it is with PEX. We're going to make these connections super fast. And once you get to see it, I think it'll take some of the fear away from trying something that's new. On these Master Bath Lab 1 and Master Bath Lab 2, we've already got these in the off position, but it's good to check that before you cut into the water line to keep from having a huge mess. Okay, for this job, these are the tools that you need. It's a crimp wrench, crimper, and a cutter, and your crimp rings, which slide onto the PEX, and then your elbows, which are the connection to the joint that we're going to make. Other than that, very simple and easy process, so let's get at it. Okay, so as we're cutting this, we want to go ahead and grab a towel. These lines were originally under pressure. We've turned them off, as we showed you, but you're still going to get a little bit of water to come out of here, probably. So it's nice to have a towel, and I just simply cut straight through it. And that one's done, and we'll do the same thing on this one. Cut at the bottom of the hole. There's a little bit of water there, but not too much. Yep. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is slip on the PEX crimp ring. It's copper. And then we're going to go ahead and put the elbow in. And then open up this crimping wrench. And usually we want this ring to be about 1/8 inch below the top of the copper pipe so that it's going to crimp on correctly. And then all you do is squeeze. And there you go. That is a watertight seal and ready for the other one that we're going to put in there. And then same thing on this one. Okay, this one already is plugged. We've got our crimp ring on there and it's already plugged. So we'll sit this through there. We'll put our crimp ring . This one, I'm going to turn this up a bit. Hang on. When this is cut, you want a real clean, straight cut. If it's not cut straight, then trim it up. All right, now we'll put our crimp ring on and leave about 1/8 of an inch, and then feed the connection through like so. And now get the wrench. And one thing is, get a good wrench. First time I did this, we bought a cheap wrench and it really didn't do the job well. But we ponied up the right cash for a good wrench, and it's so much easier. Okay, now one last thing before we're done, and that's a watertight seal there, but we want to make sure they crimped on there correctly, so we have what's called a go-no-go gauge. And I'll go get it. I don't know where it is. Okay, here we have it's called their PEX go no-go gauge. And on here it's super hard to see, but on one side it says go, and on the other side it says no go. And so you put it on the go side, which is this side here, 1/2 inch go. And so what you do is just go around the ring and see if it slides on there. If it does, you know you've crimped it well and it's not going to come off. That's a permanent fit. Now, let me show you on this side of the bathroom wall. We've got the stub out coming out there, ready for the sink. But over here, we've got this nice big window. And that's a problem. PEX does not like sunlight. It deteriorates in sunlight. So what we're going to do is make sure that we cover these up with a bag or some other way of keeping it covered till it's time to put the vanity in, because we don't want those pipes deteriorating. So that's something to always remember. So that's how simple it is. What I'm going to do now is just do it in real time, and I'll show you how quickly this can get done. Again, putting the crimp ring, and I'm doing it the reverse of the way I did last time, but there's two pieces that need to go together, so it can be done either way. That's on there. And we'll put one on this one. Stick that through the hole. There you go. It's as simple as that. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helps with your plumbing, your PEX plumbing issues. If you like what you see, please give us a like or a comment. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. We've got lots more videos coming. Okay.